Hey, what is going on, you guys? I am going out on the river to catch some hybrids. That's really what I'm hoping for, but I'll be okay with anything. Let's just get upriver and see what we can catch. All right, you guys, it's been about 30 minutes. I've made it 3/4 the way up, but I'm gonna try to catch some fish right here to take a break because I'm tired from paddling, and I just want to see if I can get something down here. I need to take a break because it's windy and I'm tired. So see if we can make a couple casts here and hopefully get on something. If not, that's okay. I think we'll have better luck up there. I hear you. They're always honking from the bridge. It's so funny. All right, y'all. Set this up. Let's see what we if we can catch anything at all right here. Kind of hard casting to the wind, but I don't want to face my kayak the other way because the wind's blowing, and if I face my kayak the other way, it's going to push me downriver. I'm tired from coming up it. So maybe about 4 casts here, and then I should be good. I just needed to take a little breather. Well, that didn't go very far. I'm starting to move backwards. Okay, so I'm fixing to actually try and go up now because the current's pushing me backwards and I don't want to do a double fight. So I'm gonna hang this up and I'm gonna get up there so I can hook up to some kind of branch or something so I'm not floating, and I will come back to you guys. We're up finally. Took a while, but we made it, and that is all that matters. Now hopefully we can catch some fish today. The wind is certainly not in my favor today, but here we go. Oh, got something. Come on, buddy. A little hybrid. Oh, a little baby stripe. I was wrong. Come on. I'm gonna put you back, buddy. Where are my pliers? May not need them. Stuck in my net. I didn't record forward, but that's okay. We'll send him on his way. See ya. Well, no, they're out there. Well, we knew that from the get-go. We need ones that hit it and peel, that make the peel drag. I can't speak. Make the drag feel. Oh, I should have checked my leader and I didn't do that. I don't want to throw this big thing back here behind me. Well, it's not big, but it kind of is, I guess. Check my leader. And my leader looks good. The braid doesn't look frayed or anything, so try it. May need to put one on that dives a little deeper. Not sure if I have one though. I don't like this angle that I'm at, but don't really have a choice because of how the current is. I might need one that goes a little deeper. First, let me try this new soft plastic that I picked up the other day. Thought it looked really cool. We'll try it. It might get hung up, but who knows? And I switched the line, so it's not the $2 line anymore. Alright, y'all, I switched out to something that dives deeper, but I'm using something that I don't really care to lose just in case it dives too deep and gets stuck on the rocks. I don't ever use this jerkbait. Hopefully I don't lose it, but if I do, it'll be alright. Wish this wind was, no, I hit a rock. I felt that rock. Wish this wind wasn't blowing like it is. I could cast so much farther. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll get a bite. Hopefully not a rock. There's so many rocks under this. We'll catch something sooner or later. I know we got the baby stripe, but I think as long as the wind chills out like they say it's supposed to, I'll catch something, I think. There we go. I told you. Oh, hopefully he stays. This is gonna be a nice hybrid. Yeah, he's swimming toward me. Heck yes. You make life so much easier when you guys do that. And away from them rocks. No, 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 no. Keep coming this way, buddy. Okay. No, don't go behind me. I can't go back there. I can't go back there. Come this way. Come this way, please. Oh, you're gonna have to come this way, bud. Oh, shoot. You tried to swim behind the kayak, and that made things really difficult. Let's put him back. I know. You can go. I want to go over there. That was a rock too. fucking gas. Please give me a nice hybrid. Come on. Where y'all at? No, y'all are out there. I ought to throw cast my other pole the other way. Let's see. This here, let's see here. Excuse me. I have to remember to hit record next time I hook up this one. Both times I did not do that. I'm actually about to switch this. Actually, let me make this smaller. Maybe that'll be more appealing. And if not, then I'll go smaller. Thank goodness. But now I have to check it. I knew there was a pile of rocks over there somewhere. I'm gonna check this real quick. Okay, we're good. We got one, just please stay on. Oh, it's a good spot. No, it's not. It's Maple like it. It's gotta be a hybrid, I think. Oh no, it is a spot. Come here. It has beautiful eyes. Oh my gracious. Let me get it unhooked. Look at this spot. Can you guys see the eyes? It is so pretty. We're going to set her back home. I stayed a little bit longer than I told myself that I was because I had caught that spot and I was hoping that I would be able to get another bite, but that didn't happen. We are back on land, thank goodness. I was tired of sitting. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get a kayak that I can stand up. No huge hybrids, but they were okay. They weren't itty bitty, and it's still fun. That's what this is about, having fun and just getting out in nature and enjoying it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Later.